In this video, I will show you how to post multiple landscape photos on Instagram. To get started, go ahead and open Instagram on your device. Now make sure you're signed in into your account. Now go ahead and click on the plus button at the bottom middle of your screen to be able to post a photo on Instagram. Now this will allow you to post a photo. Now in here, go ahead and select the landscape photos that you want to use for your post and make sure that you click on this zoom out icon to be able to post your photos and landscape. Now once you're done, go ahead and click on the next button at the top right of your screen and this will redirect you into this section. So in here you can add filters and songs to your landscape photo post on your Instagram account. You can simply select from the songs available on the bottom of your screen. You can also browse songs. And here, go ahead and select the part that you want to use for your photo post. Now, once you have selected the part that you want to use, go ahead and move on to the next step. Now, on the next step, you can go ahead and incorporate a caption, add location, tag people, and more to your photos. So you can go ahead and incorporate a caption to your post and click on the share button to post this photos along with the caption and the song to your feed. And that is how you can simply post multiple landscape photos on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.